Hello humans, I am back with another makeup look for Pride Month because it is still June, even when it's the end of June. Today I am going to be doing the asexual flag because I am asexual as well. I know I said I was bi in the last one, but I am only romantically attracted to people and not in a sexual way. So I think the technical term is biromantic asexual, but that's too many words to remember and too hard to explain. So I kind of just go with whatever I'm feeling, depending on the day. My kitten is playing in the background. He is in a particularly playful mood, so hopefully he won't get in the way too much and he can stay in the back and just exist. Anyway, let's get started. So I already did all of my base. I used the Urban Decay tinted moisturizer, and I did my brows with this little pencil from Sephora. I'm going to be using this Sephora palette. I don't know the name of it. Starcatcher, that's the name of it. It is all like cool and space colored. I'm going to be using these darker colors because I'm going to be doing like a smoky eye because that gets the black and the grays of the flag, and then I'm going to do a pop of purple with this ColourPop palette. It's My Pleasure, it's called, and I think it's very cute. Luckily, these palettes have mirrors in them, so I don't have to sit there completely blind and unable to see what I am doing. So I'm going to start with a gray. I think I'm going to use this middle, well, kind of middle, to the side of the middle gray. Okay, so there's the gray on that eye, and now I'll do the other eye. Trying not to hold this thing just like in front of my camera. Hopefully you can see. Oh, I guess if I hold it over here, that works. There's dust on my mirror. Now let's see how that looks with my glasses on, when I can actually see it. My light died again. I didn't charge it. Oops. I will fix it in a minute. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I have another mini ring light that I'm going to be using instead, and hopefully that one doesn't die as well. Okay, so I have the gray done. It's a little uneven, but I think once I add some more colors, it'll even itself out. Plus, having a piercing makes a weird shadow, so I can never tell if it's quite even on the top on this side. But yeah, now I'm gonna go in with this lighter gray in the middle here. Okay, there's the gray, or the lighter gray. I was already using gray. Here's my little dust thing to brush off my brushes. Very handy. Okay, I'm just gonna soften out the edges with this brush a little bit. My cat is biting my glasses. Hey, 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 no. This eye in particular is causing me problems today. I don't know why it's not going as even as the other one. But, okay. I don't hate that. That works. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a purple and do something. What purple do I want? I think I'm gonna go in with the Chick Lit color. I don't know why I'm doing this in my camera mirror when I'm literally holding a mirror in front of me. And then I'm just going to use this brush to soften out the edges. And that purple was very vibrant. It was a lot more vibrant than I thought it was going to be. So now I'm just going to go in with a bit of concealer just to clean up some of the purple because it kind of went everywhere. This is just a Maybelline, this little stick concealer. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with this and just grab a little bit of that gray, the darker one, and just do a little bit more on the outside just to bring it down to the bottom and clean up the shape of it. See what that looks like with my glasses on. Very cool. I'm just going to smooth this out a bit. I feel like it looks a lot messier on camera than it does in real life, but I like it still. Then I'm going to go in, I just added a sponge, with this Revlon cream eyeshadow, just to really make the silver color pop. It has a little brush. It's part of the lid, which is very fun. Ooh, this is starting to get dry. I might need to get a new one of these, which is a shame because I really like this. Okay, and that makes the gray a very cool metallic color, which also looks cool even with glasses on. Okay, and now for the black part of the flag, I am going to do a winged eyeliner. Oh boy, that's not gonna work if I'm holding my mirror. I'm gonna do the eyeliner off camera and I will be back. I am back, eyeliner is done. Looks very nice. And now, actually before I put that on, I should do mascara. As I look closer, I'm also realizing that I should blend this a bit more. I think I also want a little bit of shimmer on the inner corner. I'm gonna go in with Earth Shine right here. And just do a little dot. Just to give it a nice little shine in the inner corner. Okay, and now I'm going to do some contour because I think that'll look cooler with a smoky eye rather than doing a bunch of blush like I normally do. This is a little e.l.f. palette. And I'm just gonna accentuate the cheekbone. And just bring it down underneath the jaw. And just brush it out up here a little bit. And I think that looks nice. I'm realizing I forgot to get a highlighter out. One sec. Okay, I'm going to be using this Fenty highlighter. This is Diamond Bomb. It is so shiny. I love it so much. I didn't get a brush for this, jeez. Okay, now I have a brush. I've only used this a couple times, but it's gorgeous, but it is kind of messy, so I just have to be careful when I'm putting it on. Just gonna do a little bit of that on my cheekbone. Then a little bit on my nose. And then a little bit up here. And maybe a little dot here. And a bit here. Cute. Brush that brush off. And let's see what that looks like. I think that turned out really nice. And for the final step, lips. I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Potion. It's like this really dark purple. Whenever I put this on, it always ends up really messy, so I'm going to do this off camera. I will be right back. Okay, so here are the lips. I think they look very nice. Also, my other light finished charging, so now I have my favorite light. And you can get a better look at the eyes. I think I very much enjoy this look. I think it looks really cool, and it's like kind of goth, but also like it has this like purpley bits that I think are a nice pop of color with the rest of it. On my look without glasses. I really like how the silver is very shiny. But yeah, that's my finished look. Happy Pride Month, everyone. Next video I post after this will be in July, so it'll be new month. And I'm looking forward to it. So please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. I think that's all I have. Here's my cat if you want to say bye to him. Say bye, Tux. Bye. He's waving. Okay, goodbye.